Room Builder is a feature of KCL Desktop that can take your designs to the next level. You can quickly build 2D or 3D rooms in a dimensionally accurate way. In this video, you'll fully learn how to use the tools of Room Builder to watch your room come to life. Before we start designing our room, let's go over some of the Room Builder basics. In the top left corner, you can set some of your base dimensions. You can adjust your room's thickness, height, and toe base height, all in inches. Underneath that, you can select one of 5 applications to add to your room. We'll go over those applications later in this video. You can also select the direction your application faces and the width it spans. To add items to your queue, press the green plus sign. You can move items up and down in sequence by pressing the up arrow or down arrow. After highlighting an application, selecting the red X will remove it. It's best to start building your room with a wall. Make sure you have the correct application selected. Once you've selected flat wall, press the green plus sign to add it to your queue. You can double check your direction and width in the menu below and add your end caps to finish your wall. Press Generate to create your wall and have it render as a 3D image. The next application is a door. Once door is selected, press the green plus sign to add it to the queue. From there, you can change whether the door swings in or out, the dimensions of the door, whether it is a single or double door, and which direction it hinges. Press Generate to update your room. Next is the window. Once you've added a window to the queue, you can change the height and width, toggle a glass pane, and adjust the height of the bottom of the window. You can also add openings to your room. These are like doorways without the door panels. Once selected, you can adjust the height and width in the same way as the previous applications. The final application is the T. T's are walls that jut out between a previous wall and ensuing wall. The selected direction needs to match the direction selected for each surrounding wall piece. The length is how far into the room it juts out. Room Builder allows you to view your room from many angles. You can move the room on your screen by clicking any of the black space and dragging. Scrolling with the mouse wheel will zoom in or out. The home icon in the bottom right gives a top-down view of the room. The arrows around that home button change the tilt of your view. Pressing one of the compass directions gives you a view from that direction. Southeast is the default viewpoint. In the top right corner of Room Builder, there's a vertical menu of additional tools. The yellow triangle plays a rotation of the room on repeat. The green cube allows you to view your room in any of 3 different ways. The view is preset to color shade, but can be changed to either wireframe or hidden lines. You can send your room to one of 3 locations. The A is for AutoCAD or AutoCAD LT, the R for Revit, and the N for KCL Napkin Sketch. You can also click the clipboard icon to copy your room name and download a file. Finally, the down arrow will save your room as a .dwg file. We at KCL want you to get the most out of your KCL experience. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback about Room Builder, send an email to the address shown. You can try 14 days of KCL free at kclcad.com/subscribe.